Hey guys, Caleb Andrews with the Process Outdoors, and I have Keely and Wyatt here with me, and actually Waylon's right there behind the camera, but wanted to do a quick intro to quite possibly the best turkey hunt I've ever been on in my life, and definitely the best footage we've ever gotten. Here at the Process Outdoors, we've been stressing a lot and trying to really reach out and get kids into the outdoors, and there is no better sport, no better season than turkey hunting. The interaction with the animals, the gobbles, and seeing nature come alive in the morning is absolutely awesome. And we had an amazing hunt that we want to share with you the other morning. But before we get to that, in the spirit of getting kids in the outdoors, I wanted to hand it over to Keely and Wyatt really quick to tell us what their favorite part about turkey hunting is. Go ahead, Keels.
My favorite part of turkey hunting is being with my family and friends.
What about you, Wyatt?
My favorite part of turkey hunting is being out in nature.
Do you guys think that you'll always want to go turkey hunting with Dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Got him hooked. Check out this footage. Oh, Waylon's shaking his head yes behind the camera too. Check out this footage and watch the smiles on the kid's face and the excitement when this big old Tom goes down. Tell Papa, do we got some goblin?
Too many.
Too many. Down, stay down.
That is the real doggy. That's you, the big one.
I will. Just give me a second.
Shoot.
Don't move. Let them fight each other.
Got him.
Shh, don't move. Look at that. Look at this. Watch this. He's gonna attack him. Where's my phone? Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Wait, no, stay down. This is so cool.
Here, let's see if we can get him to go. See if we can get him to go. Ready?
Dad, why did you not go for the big one? He did. Why was he big? Let me get out. Daddy's got it! Sorry.
Get him, Wyatt. Watch his spurs.
Daddy's
Oh my gosh.
Thank you!
Step on his neck. Perfect. Stay quiet. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Right. Nice. Is that awesome?